Now I'll show you how to fill a bag with using a coupling and a writing tip. This is just a plain writing tip. And also with this disposable bag and the coupling, you want to cut the bag so that it will fit over this coupling. Try to cut it a little smaller first in case that you misjudge it and you don't want to cut too big. It's easier to cut a little bit more off. You can't cut a little less off. Okay, so I didn't cut it quite enough, so I'm just going to pinch it back and take off a little bit more. And then squeeze the coupling up tight, like that. And then the tip goes over the coupling, and then the ring holds that all nice and tight. Okay, and then that's your pastry bag set up with a tip with a coupling. And again, you can put that in a glass and fold it over like so that it'll hold it open and make it easy to put your royal icing into the pastry bag.